Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Autism and Beyond, a positive journey of JNB. This is our episode number 20.
Well, as most of you will be aware, how difficult it is at times, to teach our children the basic concept of even colors, So in this episode, basically we are showing our journey with Joanne. Slowly and gradually, she picked up liking colors and even understanding and relating them in the right sense. Well, we introduced colors to Joanne with an A3 painting book, with me painting on one book and she was trying to imitate on the other. Gradually, as time passed, she started developing an interest in painting. As you can see ahead, she is a new budding painter with fine motor skills and even to do mandala art. Also, she has started relating and identifying with even the non-primary colors, which initially was a big task.
As you can see, Joanne's brush strokes are very unique and distinct. We will keep exposing her to new areas of painting. We never know what and where it may lead to. Creative arts is an area which we as parents can explore for our kids. At times, they can express themselves much better through colors. Hence, we give exposure to our kids and miracles do happen. What originally was a task to identify colors was achieved so easily. Now, Joanne can identify colors in abstract situations as well.
Secondly, as we say, we need to keep our kids interested and engaged. Both Joanne and Bryden have been asking to blow balloons for the last few days. But then till date we haven't discovered what is there in those balloons that our kids have a different fascination for. Have been discussing with other parents as well whose children also on the autism spectrum. And they are similar craving towards balloons, but as of now it's still a mystery. Well, we use this recent attraction for balloons constructively to expose Joanne and Bryden. Well, we use this recent attraction towards balloons constructively to expose Joanne to balloon painting as well, and she did a beautiful job, as you can see.
So let's start. Before starting, we'll give some instructions. As I will be drawing on the board, I will tell you where to draw the certain things on a paper. So let me turn my camera towards the board as sleeping line. I hope everybody can see it clearly. Here, let me teach you one method. First, you will draw a C, which everyone is good at, and then we will draw another C. When you joint it, it will become a circle. In this way, you can try to make a perfect circle. Now there are few more lines which you can give the name which you are comfortable with. So I will say it's a jumping line. For that jumping line, I'm going to take few dots and I'm going to make this line jump from one dot to another. Take your time, draw it neatly. We are going to use this line as a grass line everywhere. If you reverse this line,
Miss Anagha's drawing tutorials have been a blessing for us and many other parents during the lockdown. She breaks down the drawings in baby steps and thereby making it very simple yet interesting for the children. Please follow her on her YouTube channel. Well, through our channel, we try to stress how we have been working with our kids and they have shown positive results in varied arenas. However, we keep stressing that do not hold them as benchmarks based on their age, ability, etc., as every child is different. We need to look at their strength and focus on that. It could be a small thing which looks insignificant at the moment, but gradually can work to something very phenomenal. With consistency and patience, wonders do happen. We just need to give our kids the confidence and the motivation, and yes, they excel.
We would like to make a mention here that Ayush, who is the son of Miss Seema Ganju, who is a parent professional, as well as Kabir of Kabir Creations, the son of Mr. Anand and Miss Parul Kumta, who are ardent advocates of autism, have been a source of inspiration for encouraging Joanne into painting. Well, as you have seen, Miss Anagha too has been a great source of inspiration, who through her online videos has made complex drawings appear very simple for our children.
So thank you everyone for watching, and we take this opportunity as always to thank all our viewers, our family, our friends, our extended family, our fraternity for giving us all the motivation, the support and all your wishes. We're just about to reach 1,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't have been possible with all your support, your love. So thank you once again, and please continue to be a part of our journey. Please continue to keep us in your prayers. Stay blessed and stay safe.
Yes, stay safe, and we meet up until our next episode. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
And stay connected. Yeah, thank you.